Kids! Yay! Pool day! I love swimming!
Hi, Momo! I'm Splash, and I'm part of the Water Splash Patrol.
And I'm Bubbles. We help kids stay safe and have fun at the pool.
Rule 1. Always swim with a grown-up watching. Never alone.
Got it! Mom's right there watching me.
Rule 2. Walk, don't run, on the pool deck. Wet ground is slippery.
Nice and slow, just like this.
Rule 3. Always wear your floaties or vest until you're a strong swimmer.
Ready for safe splashing? Oh no! My float is drifting away, and I can't reach it. Don't reach for it. Let's get a grown-up to help.
Water Splash Patrol, mission complete. Momo knows exactly what to do.
Grown up watching, walk, don't run. Floaties on, now the fun's begun. Water Splash Patrol, safe and free. That's how swimming's meant to be.
Remember, friends, always swim safe with a grown-up watching. Bye-bye! For more fun adventures, subscribe to Momo Smart Kids.